Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your order information on Amazon. Here's how to change your order information on the Amazon web app. The first step to need to take is to log into your Amazon account. And how do you do that? Open any browser of your choice and go to amazon.com. In the website, click the sign in button at the top right corner of your screen and enter your credentials. Once logged in, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage. In this homepage, hover over the account and list menu in the top right corner of the page. And you'll be presented with a couple of options from the drop-down menu, which include account, orders, skip shopping for, recommendations, browsing history, recalls and product safety alerts. You have watch list and all the way down to sign up. Now click on Others. Once you click on Others, it's definitely going to take you to your orders management page. Now, if you have others, you will see a list of your recent orders. Locate the order you want to modify. I do not have an order, that's why it says, looks like you haven't placed an order in the last 3 months. Ew. But then if you have others, you're definitely going to find your orders from this list. Now, once you locate the order you want to modify, click the View or Edit Order button that is next to the relevant order. Now, depending on the status of your order, which could be before it ships, you have several options. Number 1, change shipping address, so you can update the delivery address if the order hasn't been shipped yet. Number 2, change payments method. You can select a different payment method before the order is finalized for shipping. And update gift options. It means if you selected gift options, you can update the gift message or packaging. And then you have an option to cancel or modify the items. If the order hasn't been processed, you can cancel items or view changes to quantities. Once you're done making all those modifications, okay, and the desired changes, click Update or Save Changes, depending on your interface, to confirm the updates. And if you're updating payment information or shipping details, make sure to double check everything before submitting. Then you receive a confirmation email if your changes are successful. You can also check the updated order status in the Your Order section. Then I'd like you to note something very important. Some options may not be available if your order has already been shipped. In this case, you may need to cancel the order and place a new one or initiate a return once the item arrives. Now, go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.